से महके चमन, संग मरमर के जैसा ये
Hello everyone. This is not a planned solo trip, okay? This is a forced solo trip. I wanted to go with my friends, but he had some work today, so he could not come. So I'm going now. Let's see, hoping for a good adventure. So I have decided where I'm going. I'm going to Mangeli waterfall. It's around 46 kilometers from here. Let's see how much time it takes to reach there. See ya. I am now crossing Goa-Maharashtra border. I have reached Dodamar. This is what the place is called, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead. I have reached a very beautiful spot, as you can see behind me. There is water flowing and I have 18 more kilometers to go from here. I just got help from some of the locals. I was lost on the road because my maps had stopped working. Now it's working fine. Thanks to Jio, it's having a good network here. Let's see. As you can see, I can see two roads in front of me. I don't know which one to take. The Google map says the left one, but I don't know. It is showing like a very jungle place. I'm waiting for some local. If I can get some help or maybe guidance, that would be best. Because I don't want to take risk, because I'm alone and this is really a lonely place. I don't know what to do. I can see a bike approaching towards me. Mangeli कुठे आहे? Mangeli waterfall? इकडे जायचं आहे ना? Thank you. Oh, that was wonderful. I am stand here only because the view is breathtaking. Can you see the clouds there? हे काय आहे भाऊ?
फुल आहे.
हा?
फुल
म्हणजे
हे मासे पकडायचे आणि हे पकडायचे, खेकडे पकडायचे.
म्हणजे कसं चालतंय? मला काय समजलं नाही अजून.
नदीमध्ये असं लावायचं आणि इकडे वाहतं ना, इकडे लावायचं फोन करून.
अच्छा, म्हणजे जेव्हा करंट असं असतो तेव्हा. बरं, आता काय पकडलंय तुम्ही?
इकडे पकडले.
तिसरी पकडली. खेकडे. ओके ओके. चांगलं आहे. तुमचं नाव काय भाऊ? Okay. He is now showing us the technique how to do it. In this, I don't know, this is something really new I'm seeing. खोलतायत का?
आतमध्ये आहेत ते बघा.
बरं.
त्या दिवशी 30 भेटलेले, आज 2च भेटले.
किती वाजता निघता तुम्ही इकडे हे सगळं करायला?
हे घर आमचं.
अच्छा, ते वाला. जास्त असेल तर असू दे. मला समजलं कसं प्रिन्सिपल आहे ते. परत बाहेर येत नाही ना मग मासे तिकडनं. हो,
तेव्हा आतमध्ये आहेत खेकडे.
चांगलं आहे. थँक्यू दाखवल्याबद्दल थँक्यू. बरं काका, येतो मी. भेटून बरं वाटलं. हां, मी गोव्याहून आलो आहे. म्हापशालाच आहे मी. चला, येतो मी. मी मासे नाही खात. बरं. Hi everyone, it's 10:55 and I've already reached Mangeli waterfall. It's so surprising to see there is no one here at the point, maybe because it's not the right time to come here. The last time I had come to Mangeli was 7 years back when I was in college. I had come with my college friends for a road trip. That was very interesting journey. I'll show you a place where I had clicked a picture of a group, so I'm going to share that as well in the video. But now since I've reached here, I don't know what to do. I always used to travel with my friends and I really didn't care about the journey. I always used to care about the destination, where I'm going to reach and how I'm going to click pictures or have fun in the water, have bath in the waterfall. So all these things used to really matter to me then. Since today is my first solo trip and I don't know, it was really good to travel alone. And today I'm feeling like the destination doesn't really matter. If your journey is good, everything is worth it. Nothing really matters. The journey has to be good. I have met some beautiful people on the way, very supporting locals. They guided me right when my map stopped working, and I have to find my way back home now. I'll try to figure out where the waterfall is. I mean the way to go to the waterfall. I can see the waterfall from here, but I don't know from where I should go. And 7 years back, so I don't really remember exactly how, and I don't know. I guess we were high that time. I don't really know. You see, my bike is just giving me company here, and you can see the waterfall there. 2 days back I read a very sad news. As I'm a music lover, I used to like S.P. Balasubramaniam ji's songs, and I guess every 90s kid does. The songs mostly of Salman Khan, songs from Roja, and all these songs mainly composed by A.R. Rahman. It was so good. That singer was really so good. I am very sad today. So as a tribute, I was listening to all his songs throughout my journey. I will share his photo as well later in the video. This is the exact same spot where we had clicked a picture 7 years ago, and here I am again. माझा फोटो घेणार काय? माझा एकच फोटो घ्या. हाय. ओके, जरा एकच माझा फोटो धबधब्याबरोबर घे ना. थँक्यू. I have met some kind guys. They are going to take a picture of me. Thank you. नाव काय तुझं?
ईशान.
काय?
ईशान.
अच्छा, ईशान. बाय. Thank you, Ishan. So guys, when you come for such rides or drives, please make sure that your vehicle is in good condition. I don't know most of you know about this or no, but this thing here, it enables you to soften your suspension. When you're riding alone, you should make the suspension soft so that you don't really feel the bumps. But yes, if you have a pillion riders, don't do it. You just rotate it once or twice. There is a tool available with the mechanic, so you can get it done from him. So as you have seen, I finally arrived at the spot, and I'm going to wait here for 5-10 minutes and then be going back home. The weather here is quite hot. It's not really cool as I'd expected it to be. But the best time to come here is, I guess, July or maybe mid-August, because that's the time it rains over here very heavily, and the weather is also very foggy. It is very breathtaking. You should come here in July August. But yes, I'm really happy to be here. Finally I've arrived at the spot, and it was really nice to come solo. I didn't have to please anyone, I didn't have to wait for anyone, I didn't have to take someone's opinion to where should I ride or no. First I decided I would go to Tilari waterfalls, but that was really quite far for me for the first time to ride alone, so I said I'll go to Mangeli instead. And so yes, until then, see you next time guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed the video, and